Welcome guys again. So here in this lecture I will show you a very nice feature. For example, if you choose any country, for example Afghanistan, so you see that it will show you only the location of Afghanistan, and if you simply click on that, it will give you the whole information about the whole available information about Afghanistan regarding the COVID-19. Okay, what I want to do now is I want the whole dashboard changes by choosing any country here. I want this indicator, the gauge, the whole information, even this graph, the line chart should automatically change. Okay, how can I do that? It's very simple. Simply open your sidebar and go to the configuration. Open the action tab. Here we put a target. If I press any country, if I click on any country, so what information should be filtered? So I want this one should be changed, it should be updated, and as well as a pie chart should be updated. This indicator should be updated. Simply choose all. In the whole, it means the whole dashboard should be filtered and changed automatically. Choose country because we have chosen the layer, the country layer, and country, and country. Okay, done. Now if I choose, for example, Afghanistan, you see the information of that one, it changes. So let's check it out. Is it right or not? So as you see, the dead cases here we have 2.4 thousand. Here we have the dead cases. The maximum actually is the maximum for Afghanistan, 2.4, and here we have 2.4. If I click here, so let's find out the date 2.4. That's right. And again, choose another country. Choose, for example, China. So the whole dashboard will update and will tell you its relevant information. Okay, it doesn't have any states for that one. Actually, we don't have the data for that. So regarding to China, we have this, and the dead cases is 4,000. It doesn't have information. 4.8, 4.8, 4.8. Active cases. This is active case, and this is its relevant information. How cool is that? Simply change it. Go and choose none or any country that you want. Now everything is back